Is this the smartest farm in Africa? Welcome to a revolution in agriculture. This is a four-quadrant circular farm, where AI and the circular economy work in perfect harmony. Here's how it works. Animal waste is used to grow maggots, which become protein-rich feed for poultry. The remaining manure fertilizes organic vegetables. A hydroponic system grows maize for the animal feed, optimizing land and water. Nothing is wasted. But here's the smartest part. AI-powered microphones listen to the chickens, detecting illness before it spreads. Computer vision monitors the plants, spotting diseases early. This is a zero-waste, tech-driven system that boosts productivity and creates a sustainable future for food production in Africa. Brought to you by Fortis Invictor. Subscribe, like, comment, and share to see more. Visit www.fortisinvicta.com to learn more.